European Court of Human Rights and reintroduce our own Bill of Rights here in the UK. The European Court yesterday awarded Fuad Awali compensation of £240,000 because he was wrongfully held in solitary confinement, apparently. Someone else we know was held in the same conditions for 7 months for posting a video on grooming gangs, and of course that was fine, apparently. If you don't believe in double standards in the police and the courts, what can I say? Let me know what you guys think. This has understandably sparked outrage and massive debate here in the UK because it raises complex questions about justice and accountability. Awali is a double murderer. He shot 2 people in the head. He was put in prison and then he took a prison guard hostage and threatened to kill him. As a result, he was put in the highest security prison protocol of solitary confinement, and he said that was against his human rights. So on the one hand, we have a court protecting fundamental human rights, ensuring that people, no matter what they've done, are treated justly and fairly and they're not wrongfully imprisoned. Which, by the way, he wasn't. He was in prison because he killed 2 people, right? But secondly, it raises the question that even when an individual is involved in grave crimes of the highest level, such as, say, double murder, should their rights still be upheld within that same legal framework, or do they forfeit those rights? Let me know what you think in the chat. This has raised a massive amount of discussion here all over the UK, all over the TV channels. Individuals are saying, should your rights be maintained when you're a double murderer who threatens to kill more people? Should you be chucked in prison and forgotten about? Is that fair? And then should a third-party court decide whether they've been wrongfully treated, decides that he has been, whereas another person we know who didn't do anything of the sort like that was thrown in solitary confinement for 7 months and they didn't give a damn. How does that work? Does that show double standards in policing? Does that show that lawyers, human rights lawyers, are just printing money out of these sorts of issues? They earned £233,000 in legal fees. And that chamber, by the way, was set up, one of the founding members was Sherry Blair. Convenient that, isn't it? Sherry Blair, Tony Blair, Keir Starmer, human rights, dilute the UK, make it less British, make it more of a global society. And all the time that they're doing that, they're printing money. Is that good? Do you think that is fair and that is right? Let me know what you guys think in the chat.